Picture this, our world, but swallowed by a limitless ocean, mountains drowned, forests submerged, a planet veiled in endless blue. Could humanity or any life endure such a watery fate? And let's find the answer to the question, what if? A fully submerged Earth would necessitate a cataclysmic event. A colossal asteroid impact, for instance, could trigger widespread tectonic shifts, causing landmasses to sink beneath the waves. Alternatively, dramatic alterations in Earth's mantle convection currents, the slow movement of molten rock within the planet, could reshape the surface, leading to the submersion of continents. Even a significant change in Earth's gravitational pull is a hypothetical scenario that could dramatically reshape the planet's topography, resulting in a water-covered globe. Each of these scenarios presents a unique challenge to our understanding of planetary formation and the delicate balance of geological forces that shape our world. The resulting planet would bear little resemblance to the Earth we know, its history forever etched by a monumental shift in its geological composition. Life in this perpetually submerged world would necessitate extraordinary adaptations. Deep-sea creatures might evolve bioluminescence for communication and hunting in the perpetual darkness, developing unique sensory organs to navigate the abyssal plains. Hydrothermal vents, oases of geothermal activity on the ocean floor, could become the centers of thriving ecosystems, supporting bizarre, chemosynthetic life forms utterly unlike anything found on our Earth. Entirely new ecological niches would emerge, perhaps with colossal filter-feeding organisms dominating the currents, or bioluminescent forests of deep-sea flora illuminating the dark depths. Whether intelligent life could arise is speculative, but if it did, its form and intelligence might be drastically different from our own, perhaps relying on echolocation or other senses rather than vision, with social structures shaped by the ocean's currents and the availability of hydrothermal resources. This submerged world could foster a type of intelligence uniquely suited to the challenges and opportunities of a completely aquatic existence. A water world would experience drastically altered climate patterns. The vast heat capacity of water would moderate global temperatures, potentially reducing the intensity of seasonal variations. However, the absence of continental landmasses would significantly impact wind patterns. Without the friction caused by continents, winds could become more powerful and consistent, potentially leading to stronger, more frequent storms. Ocean currents, the primary drivers of global heat distribution in a water world, would be dramatically different, potentially creating unique, extreme weather phenomena unlike anything we experience. The absence of land-based weather systems would also lead to a different distribution of precipitation, perhaps resulting in regions of perpetual rain or drought within the vast ocean. The overall climate would be far more dynamic and unpredictable compared to our current land-sea balanced climate. Human survival on a completely submerged Earth presents immense challenges. Resource acquisition would be drastically different, requiring advanced underwater farming and mining techniques. Shelter would necessitate the construction of robust, pressure-resistant habitats, perhaps modeled on advanced submersibles or even bioluminescent, self-sustaining underwater cities. Technological solutions would be paramount, focusing on energy generation, possibly harnessing geothermal vents or ocean currents, water purification, and efficient food production. Societal structures would likely be highly interconnected and reliant on advanced communication networks. Given the limitations of movement in an aquatic environment, resource distribution and equitable access would be critical societal concerns, demanding innovative solutions to prevent conflict. The social fabric might also be profoundly affected by the constant presence of water, leading to a culture significantly different from our own, possibly emphasizing cooperation and resourcefulness over individual competition. A water world's biodiversity would starkly contrast Earth's. While our planet boasts a vast array of terrestrial and aquatic life, a submerged Earth would likely exhibit a far higher concentration of marine species, potentially with drastically different adaptations. Deep-sea ecosystems would dominate, leading to unique evolutionary pathways and specialized organisms adapted to extreme pressure and limited sunlight. Geologically, the absence of continental plates would result in a smoother, less varied landscape. Volcanic activity might still occur, but tectonic plate movement, responsible for mountain ranges and earthquakes, would be dramatically altered. The energy flow in this ecosystem would also be fundamentally different. Our planet's energy flow is diverse, from sunlight-driven terrestrial ecosystems to chemosynthetic deep-sea vents. A water world's energy flow would be primarily reliant on ocean currents and hydrothermal vents, resulting in a potentially less diverse, yet potentially equally complex food web. A water-covered Earth would drastically alter life, climate, and even human survival. This hypothetical scenario highlights the delicate balance of our planet. In your opinion, what if Earth was covered entirely by water? Share your thoughts in the comments.